girls in misery. So that probably was an angle that I was looking at. So how do I make them miserable? Just get them to have a dead body in the pool. I have done the same thing with Bhatt Saab. I have chewed his brains.
Really?
When I was an actor, whenever he's cast me, like for example in Ashiki, I said, why am I not doing Rahul's role? What is wrong with you? Look at me, look at him. I am a happy soul. So I look at happiness. I don't look at success with the amount of money that I make.
Those who have seen the trailer of Tipsy would know what exactly is happening here. These girls have entangled themselves in a mess of their life. They go tipsy to the extent that all the memory of the past events have been erased. And the next day there is a dead body in the pool. What you are up to, Mr. Deepak Tijori as a maker, and you guys as actors, what are you up to?
So first thing I would say, Pratham, I'm very glad to know that most of the people, and like you, if they have understood the trailer exactly the way what you've said, is precisely what our intention was, to make them realize that this is fun film and this is a whodunit, so it eventually becomes a whodunit, and it's unfortunately, fortunately, so they find when they are having fun, when they are having a blast, and then something goes wrong. So that's, I think, the beauty of the film that we're talking about, which is what I think we all look for in cinema. That's something that would hold us right till the end. One thing I can assure you, this will hold you guys right till the end.
Absolutely. Why should boys have all the fun? Girls are having fun, but this fun has gone, oh my God, has taken a U-turn probably?
Absolutely. As I always feel, when I was watching the series of Hangover, which I've always watched and enjoyed and relished it,
Yes.
I've always felt that, why not we do something with girls going for a bachelorette? Because the concept is everywhere nowadays in India. Most of the girls are doing it. Most of the girls are going for parties, leaving their grooms behind and, having their girlfriend parties.
Yeah.
So I think ये जो चीज़ें होती हैं, so I really wanted to, get into the skin of it. But not just make a kind of a spice of life film, but make it into a thriller. And that would be a kind of a change, for us to see, girls in misery. So that probably was an angle that I was looking at. So how do I make them miserable? Just get them to have a dead body in the pool. And the worst is that when you have the elements of these girls are embedded on his body. So that gets even worse and tricky, because then we've forgotten what's happened in the night and not knowing why is this happening. So I think those are the hooks which are, going to make you enjoy the film, take you through a very good roller coaster ride, because each girl, although they are looking gorgeous, but at the same time, they are specific characters. You will not find one girl just being like another, like we have seen in the past earlier, unfortunately. We've seen a couple of four girls films, but they're all the same, they all look the same, they all behave the same, so there's nothing unique as in specific about these kind of characters. But I think these girls has definitely, lived their performances to the core. I am so happy about it.
So let's know from each girl what makes them unique in real life, as well as how they're unique in reel as well.
Sure, we can start with Sonia.
Hello, hi. So in real life, I am an actor and DJ. And I am performing in front of the camera, and I'm also performing in real time in behind my console. So I have like huge setup of crowds, like thousands of people sometimes also. That's me on the personal level. I'm very creative, and I love action. I love martial arts. I'm a trained boxer. And my character, Celine, is also very gutsy and ballsy, which I could really relate with.
Well, hi, my name is Kainat, and I'm playing this character called Yami. Yami, as a character, is very different from who I am as a person. But there are a little bit of traits of Yami in me, little bit, not much. As Yami is a topper of the batch, and she is a Haryanvi character. I'm Punjabi in real life. And Yami is very upfront. She's a woman of few words. वो जब बोलती है तो एक लाइन बोलती है, पंच लाइन मारती है और निकल जाती है. लेकिन जो बोलती है तो it makes sense. She's very intelligent. And in real life, as a person, I'm a very honest person, but I am very sensitive and emotional, which Yami is not at all in the character.
The best thing जो is happening in Indian cinema right now is that आजकल बहुत सारी women centric films बन रही है और चल रही है. एक frustration initially जब मैंने शुरू किया था, एक वो frustration हमेशा था that you know somewhere the actress is always a step down in comparison to the male heroes. And मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि times have changed. लोगों को you know people and the audience are more accepting to say for example a 5-heroine film.
About similarities between Tanya and differences, I think externally me and Tanya are the same. In terms of being hot and sexy and all those things, you know.
You are.
So
Fishing for
externally, so I'm
for
saying externally me and Tanya are the same, but the difference, the difference is Tanya is flashy. I don't think I'm flashy as a person.
My character Pony, जिसकी शादी हो रही, जिसकी बैचलर की वजह से हम सब जा रहे हैं, was extreme. Like I can resonate with the fact that with Pony because I'll make a lot of jokes. I have a lot of pun intended jokes with my friends. My close banter with my people is crazy. I do say something and they'll just be like, and they'll burst out into laughing. So I can resonate with Pony that way. Otherwise, I cannot because I am from a very different background in my life and the kind of upbringing I've had. Of course, she's a great student, so I was a great student. But Pony's bilkul alag. She will probably be asking an iPhone for an answer to a question which which doesn't even exist on the iPhone. But she'll be like, in the most weirdest situation in life, you'll place her and she'll just make you crack up. She's that person. But given the thought that he actually made me realize that Pony is going to be a fun character because I was a little scared because वो थोड़ी naive सी भी है, भोली सी भी है, but बेवकूफ़ भी है, but smart भी है, और good looking भी है, hot भी है, but बेवकूफ़. Like she'll just be like, why this? Why me? Like she'll marry a tree just because she doesn't want the superstition coming on, and that's not me in real life. I'm not superstitious.
It is very difficult to handle one single heroine around a hero. You have 5 in your film. You are the only man that is visible on the poster with these girls. How difficult or how easy was it? What is the nuska to handle so many female energies at the same time?
Well, actually, ऐसा नहीं है कि I am the only man in the film. There are other 2 very handsome boys. One of them is sitting right there. He should be meeting you soon. His name is Danish and Harjinder. They are supposed to come. But I would say that that coming to what has been spoken so far, something that I just realized with these girls talking about it, कि ये बोलती है जैसे कि इन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि मुझे ये रोल करना है, इन्होंने मुझसे कहा मुझे वो रोल करना है, इन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि मेरे को ये इसने कहा मुझे कुछ और करना है. ठीक है, ये जो चल रहा था ना उस टाइम पे, तो मुझे उस टाइम पे रियलाइज़ नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन अब मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि जो मैं इतने कामली उन लोगों को समझा के डाइवर्ट करके लेके आता था जहाँ मुझे उनको लेके जाना था जी. पर यही चीज़ अब मुझे बैठे बैठे रियलाइज़ हुआ, इट्स आयरॉनिकल दैट आई हैव डन द सेम थिंग विद भट्ट साहब. आई हैव चूड हिज ब्रेन्स. Really? When I was an actor, whenever he's cast me, like for example in Ashiki, I said, why am I not doing Rahul's role? What is wrong with you? Look at me, look at him. So he said, you shut up and you do what I tell you, okay? But that time his way of saying is like that, but love and affection, he says that, he has that authority on me. Similarly, when he was casting me for Najayas, literally I had a fight with him. I said, you never cast me. Why will I do this now? Now you're calling me. So he says, you do it because I'm telling you. You don't know nothing about it, So उस टाइम पे उनका तरीका प्यार का ऐसा था, लेकिन वही चीज़ अब मैंने इनके साथ करी थी, पर मैंने उनको अलग तरीके से लेके आके मैं उनको समझाया.
अब Deepak Tijori, do you really feel honestly that you have gotten your dues in the industry? Be it Sadak, be it Ashiki, be it Jo Jita Wahi Sikandar. The performances are brilliant. You are likable and unlikable in the right sense of the term. Do you think after all these years you gotten your dues in the industry?
See, the industry is not over for me yet, so I really haven't analyzed it. I still have lots more to go, so the things are coming my way.
Wow, that's a brilliant way of looking at it.
So that will happen.
And why do we see you so less? 2018 के बाद अभी इतना time लगा है अपने direction करने में.
So if you would have seen me more, you wouldn't have remembered me so lovingly. The point is that if you do work, then you do good work, instead of doing every work that comes your way.
A, you do not drink.
Why am I
party.
tipsy?
You do not drink, you do not party. You come across as this very positive soul who is very nourishing, nurturing, always happy. How does this thought probably come to you? I mean, what does it take to even think about this idea, which
You
is
know,
absolutely contrasting to
okay,
who
yeah.
you are in real life?
You know, long time ago, I'd seen an interview. I'm going a little away from what actually is life. Life is all about that. Yash Chopra, okay, Yash ji's wife, Pamela ji was giving an interview, and she was talking about him, and she spoke that this man has not a single bone of romance in him, and he is the biggest director who's created romance on screen. So I think that gives you the answer. So it's not necessary, that, we need to do those things. So I need to be a drunkard or I need to be a tully man.
But does that personality work in Bollywood circle? Does it work in your favor?
Yeah, I guess probably I am a happy soul. So I look at happiness. I don't look at success with the amount of money that I make.
Quickly then, Tipsy is the name of the film. You are going absolutely bonkers there, and you have been taken advantage of. You have landed yourself in a soup. So has there been a moment in your life where you have been tipsy and being taken advantage of, or you have taken advantage of the samne wala?
Look at my personality, yeah. People are intimidated. I mean, guys.
Wow.
Girls don't need to mess. Guys, I'm talking about. So, Huani, I'm Tarzan's daughter, by the way.
Oh, yes.
So, वो last
There you
चीज
go.
होती है जब एक लड़का आके मुझे, they tries to take. But of course, I have so many memories. I'm a DJ, so happens. You get tipsy all the time. You see people, the world getting tipsy. It's a lot of fun as long as you're centered, your awareness is intact. थोड़ा वही हुआ है ये रात में. थोड़ा awareness चली गई है off track. And that's where we have a movie, Tipsy.
I am high on life. I've been always high on life. So when I'm partying with my friends who are always tipsy, I'm the one who takes them home back.
But you must be sitting quietly with your orange juice. But
Not
must
at
have
all.
seen
In
people
fact,
doing crazy things.
you can ask Pooja. She said it the other day. I mean, I am the one who dances like a madman all night long.
Oh, we can only imagine.
I used to go crazy.
And that is
absolutely.
without being drunk. Imagine
Without
what
being
this
drunk.
man
Yeah,
can
that's
do if he
exactly
gets
what
drunk.
used to happen. All of my friends say, "सबसे ज़्यादा पिया तू लगता है."
Well, even I don't drink. I'm high on life. But I do have a bar at home. I make people drink. I get them drunk. In real life also, I'm like that. Even Yami doesn't drink. That's my character. And even Kaina doesn't drink. But I have a bar at home. I get people drunk.
Come on.
Yeah, so I love it when people get drunk and they're doing stupid stuff. So, maza aata hai.
Now showing.
That's what Punjabis are all about.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I've had plenty nights for sure. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. And each time has been an adventure. Of course, we go out with our girlfriends on the weekends. अभी हाल ही में ही हमारा ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया तो जैसे ही वहाँ से निकले चलो पार्टी करो, So I have had tons of experiences, but I don't know if I should be talking on national television about it. My mom and dad are going to see this.
Again, teetotaler, I don't drink, don't smoke. But होली पे भांग जरूर पिया है मैंने. तो वो भांग के नशे में मैंने इतना खाया है 20-25 समोसे ठूसे होंगे मैंने एक ही वक्त. और इतनी उल्टियाँ की है उस समोसे के साथ मैंने. फिर मुझे मेरे दोस्तों ने उठाकर, और उल्टी में गिरी भी हूँ मैं.
अरे बाप रे.
लोट पोट हुई उस उल्टी में, और मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे उठा के लेके गए हैं. और 2 दिन बाद जब मुझे होश आया, मैं embarrassed too.
Well, I don't drink that much. Like a glass of wine or champagne bubbles is okay because I'm a health freak and I'm always counting calories. But of course with Nazia we've had a lot of fun. No. Actually,
Honest here.
to be honest, I don't. I
see that.
have to
I so
maintain.
get it.
I'm a complete health freak. If you ask anybody, they'll know कि यार ये तो पागल है अपने health को लेके workout. But इसके साथ जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ ना, हम बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. Like she's one of my best friends, so we go out. We've had a lot of fun. But yeah, I have had incidents where I have picked up people and cleaned their puke. Bhang, yes. And on Holi, I was busy hugging a tree, and I didn't get up from that tree for 2 hours singing "Ye mera ghar, mera baby, mera sab." And then I went back home and I had 18 puris, 3 McDonald's ke burgers and French fries, and still I was hungry.
Where do they all go?
That's exactly my point. So I work out really hard, so I don't like to drink that much, and I like to kind of maintain myself. It's important, health as well. So yeah.
Deepak Tijori,
Get
you have-
tipsy, but in your limits.
Absolutely. We are looking forward to this one. This looks like a fun film, an interesting one, and an intense one. Next time, girls, when you have fun, just ensure that there is no swimming pool around.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.